Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you about how to divide and how to check by the process of multiplication. You will come to know in this video. So let us go to the question number 1. They have told you to divide and then you have to check the answer by multiplications, right? So I will do few questions. So I have already done the questions and I will tell you how to do it. So a number, as you can see, so what I have done that this will be the dividend and this used to be the divisor whenever division is there. So divisor and dividend. So when the dividend should be inside and the divisor should be outside. So first we will see that two numbers, 36 is there. If we take two numbers from here, it is smaller than that. So that's why you have to take three numbers until you get greater number that you need to take. At three numbers is greater than this, so that's why I'm taking it. Now 36 into 5 is 180. So you need to put you need to multiply with something that it should be uh, equal to or smaller than that, but it should be nearby to 183. So if it's greater than that, you cannot take it. So 36 5 is 180, so it's nearby to it. So after doing minus, you get 325. The 332, when you bring it smaller than 36, that's why I bought one more from here. I have put one more down. Means after that it becomes 325. As you have bring two numbers in down, so you need to put a 0 in up. Then 36 into 9 is 324. So when you multiply, you will get 324 and you got a quotient of 1. So now as you have got remainder as 1. So quotient you have got 509 and the remainder you have got as 1. So how will you check it? So we know the formula for checking is that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Right. So this is the very important formula. So divisor is this is the quotient, this is the dividend, and this is the remainder, right? So when you do this 36 into 509 plus 1, you should get this number, that is 18,325. Then only your answer is correct. So after that, if you when you multiply, that means left hand side and the right hand side should be equal. So that was the thing. So 36 into 509 into plus 1, you get 18,324 plus 1. So you get the answer. This is 18,325. So this means that you whatever you have done, whatever process you have done is correct. So this is the answer, 18,325. So one more I will go do. Number B number question was that. So I have got this one, you see, 35 into 1, 67 is the dividend and 35 is the divisor. So when you multiply, when you divide it, so this is the divide. So 35 into 1 is 35. When you minus it, you get 32. So you bring 1 0 here. So it is 320. So 35 into 9 is 315. So after doing minus, you get 50. 5 you get, and you bring 0 from up, and then minus again 35 into 1 minus 35. After doing that, you get 15, and you have to bring one more 0. Then 35 into 4, you get 140. So this is the quotient, that is now 1914, and the remainder is there. So after doing that, you need to check the same process is that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is the divisor, this is the quotient, and then you do the plus. So you will get 67,000. That means you got the dividend. So that means your answer is correct. So like that for this 82,006 divided by 80, it's given. So when you divide it 82,006 with 80, so you get 1,025 as the quotient and the remainder as 6, and then you multiply, you will get the exactly that answer, that is dividend, where you get it. So that means your process for doing this is correct. So now let us go to the question number 2. So in the question number 2, they have given that. So question number 2, in a farm there is 56,224 oranges were plucked in a day, and they were around 48 oranges they used to pack in a box, and they are asking that how many boxes will require if 48 48 48 from 56,224 oranges. So how many box will be required and how many oranges are left over? So whenever leftover is used to be there, it means there is a remainder in the division. So how will you find it? So I have already done that question, so you can see it. Total oranges plucked in a day is 56,224. In a box, oranges packed is 48 in one box, and boxes required is 56,224 divided by 48. So if you, when you divide it, you get 1,171 boxes, that is the quotient, and the remainder is 16, and that remainder is the leftover. Okay, 16 oranges are leftover. So this is the process by which you can do it, you can solve the question. Now next question is that in a farm 56,000 to her, sorry, Miss Nisha earns rupees 97,080 in a year. So what is her monthly earning? So here in a year means how many months is there in a year? It is 12 months, right? And you need to find for 1 month. So like that you will do in 12 months, that means in 1 year she earns rupees 97,080. So in 1 month you need to find. So for that one reason you need to divide 97,080 divided by 12. So when you divide it, you get the answer as rupees 8,090. Similarly, see if you see in case of multiplication used to be what happened, they used to give for 1 month and you need to find for 12 months or more than 12 months, like that. So they will ask for many. Understood? For 1 month it will be given and you need to find for more than it is multiplication. So when, if they in case of division what happened, they used to give for many, that is like this 12 months they have given, and you need to find for one. So they are both opposite, division and multiplication. So this much for today, and this way I complete the exercise number 2. I think all the questions, so this way I think you can do the question number 1, and it's very simple. So this much for today. Thank you for watching.